Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we have got the Ipsy icon box for May 2025. If you are interested in seeing what I got in my box, then hang tight. If you don't know what the Ipsy icon box is, it is a box that comes quarterly from Ipsy. And they usually have a big name attached to it. It comes in February, May, July, and November. And it replaces, usually if you have a glam bag, it will replace the glam bag. If you have a BoxyCharm, it will replace the BoxyCharm, what have you. So I didn't get a BoxyCharm this month. You get 8 full-size items, and I got a beauty boost in it as well. So I got 9 full-size products. I got to choose 4 of the products, and they chose 5 of them for me. Now, if I can remember which is which, that would be a feat, but I don't think I didn't bring my notebook with me, so we're gonna be flying kind of blind this time. Now, the curators of this box are Erin and Sarah Foster, and this has got to be the first time. I gotta admit, I do not know who these people are. If you know who they are, that's what they look like. I'm guessing they're sisters, influencers of some sort. If you know who they are, drop a comment and let me know who they are. I have never heard of them. This is the first time. I have absolutely never heard of the curators before, and I'm not meaning that to be a diss or anything like that. I just have never heard of them before. So, but I am excited about this box. Let me show you the first thing. I do know that I picked everything out. Let's just go ahead and dive right on in. The first thing I did pick out, it is the bag, the Ipsy makeup bag. Let me throw this away here. I did pick this out, and it looks, that's what the inside looks like right there. What is that? Just like leaves and stuff, ivy leaves, and it's purple. It's got the Ipsy zipper pull, and I love makeup bags shaped like this, so that's why I picked it out, and that's what it looks like right there. So I got this. I know my bag was close to like $400. My box, my icon box was close to $400, and this was one of the reasons why they picked out for me. I think most, but not all, people got this, and I was very excited about this. I know some people who weren't, and you know who you are, and I know there were some people that did want this but didn't get it, so. But I'm very happy to get it. It's the Natasha Denona Bronze palette. And it's very reflective. It looks like this. I love a good bronze color story. That's what she looks like right there. I know this is like $69 out on the retail market. She looks very pretty, very pretty. I don't think I got a lot of makeup in my box. I don't think I got a lot of makeup in my box, but I did get some. I got a fair amount. What's this next thing? This next thing is the Elemis Peptide for Eye Recovery Cream. Reviving eye cream for tired, overworked eyes. That's how my eyes feel right now. I could use this right now. I think they picked this out for me. That's what it looks like right there. I'm gonna put this right here and use that tonight for when I take off my makeup. So I got that. Let's save the makeup for last. Oh, I did get a fair amount of makeup. Then I think I picked this out. This is the Beauty Stat Universal Triple Action Daily Peel. I think these are like my Dr. Grove's pads, where it's like, let's see, how many are in here? 10. 10 are in here. And it's just like a chemical, or like a, chemical, I don't want to say chemical peel, but I guess that's kind of what it is. But it's like, I say it's a daily peel. I guess they want you to do it daily. What does it say? Clinically tested to improve the appearance of pores, lines, and wrinkles, and skin softness. Our triple action blend of lactic acid and AHA. So it's an AHA pill. Powerful, highly researched ingredients work together for chemist-led healthy skin. I'm sorry, I don't have my glasses on. So it's just an AHA pill that you can do every day. I'll probably do that tonight too. Oh, my skin could use some TLC tonight. So, and then they have this Murad. I think this was my beauty boost. This is the Murad Retinol Resculpt, another eye treatment. Oh, they were big on the eye treatment. What is this? Everything is in such small lettering. So we have this. It doesn't have a smell to it or anything like that. I'll get some prices here in a second. I'll look through that little magazine and get some prices. But this is the Murad eye treatment. And so we have some makeup as well. Just throw the box over there. From Paranova, we have the Eye Duo Stick Shadow and Liner in the shade Azurite and Unakite. Okay. So this is a duo liner and eyeshadow stick. So here's one of them, and I guess this is the eyeshadow here, and this is the liner, which is kind of blue. So there's one of them. These with my eye sticks over here. And then we have a green one. I like the eyeshadow colors. With the color right there. And the liner is a green eyeliner, kind of an olive. Those go together nicely. So those are from Paranova. They picked that out for me. And then from Rodile, we have a lip oil with natural oils. And what is the shade? I don't see a shade name on here. That is the packaging right there. Okay, it just says with collagen, lip oil with collagen. Instructions: glide onto lips with applicator. Okay, so we shall try that out right now. Okay, it feels kind of heavy for a lip oil. But it doesn't feel sticky or anything like that. But it does feel kind of heavy. I like kind of a light lip oil that doesn't feel heavy. Are we good? We're getting... Okay. Next is another. Let me get a makeup wipe here, because we have another lip product that we're gonna try out. I should have got this one out first. It is by Makeup by Mario, and it is the, what is that? See, my eyes are tired. I just got off of work. Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum Lip Balm, and it is in the shade Petal Glow. Petal Glow. I hope this isn't like a burning sensation, but that's what it looks like. I'm guessing that's kind of what the color is. So we're gonna put up. Oh, this is creamy. Very creamy. This reminds me of those Tarte Maracuja lip things. Wow. And is it plumping? Only time will tell. I like that color though. That's a nice nudie pink color. Very glossy. It's kind of like an opaque gloss. I like those. I like those. And then the last thing I got is a Kosas Blush is Life Baked Dimensional Plus Brightening Blush. And it is in the shade Hype, which is a warm poppy pink. Which, that is the color. I have one of these in a different color. I think it's in the color Thrill. And these are very, very, very pigmented. It is a baked blush, so I wouldn't expect anything less than. Okay. And I think I picked this. I might have picked the Mario lip thing too. If I said I picked more than 3 things, then I don't know what to tell you. I just cannot remember. I cannot remember. Look at this cute component that it's in where you can see it. And that's what it looks like. Isn't that a beautiful color? Oh, and it's so smooth and round. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that color. That is amazing. Oh, I can't wait to try that out. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to try that blush out. Oh, I think out of all of this, the Natasha Denona, this lip, and this blush totally made this box worth it. I'm gonna see about those eye creams too. But I think overall this was a really good box. I really liked it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I would love to hear your opinions. Did you get the icon box? What did you get? Did we get some of the same stuff? Did you decide not to get the icon box for one reason or the other? I would love to know all of your thoughts, all of your opinions, all of your, I don't know, just tell me how your day's going. Let me know what's up with you. I would love to know down in the comments below. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you liked it, please share it with your friends. If you think they would enjoy it as well, please subscribe if you haven't already. If you've seen several of my videos and you haven't subscribed, what's up with that? Go ahead and hit subscribe, because I would love to get to 1,300 before too long. I would love to do that. That is my goal, to get to 1,300. I don't know, by my birthday in a month. I would love to get to 1,300 before June 14th, which is my birthday. So that is kind of my goal. That is the goal that I just made up just right now. So go ahead and hit subscribe. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.